Hello everyone, this is Parth signing in from Language Academy. Through this video, allow me to present to you a new framework for your PT exam preparation. Many a times while teaching hundreds and thousands of students here in Australia and worldwide, we come across many students who want to get their PT done as soon as possible. But where do they struggle is time. They do not have enough time due to their prior commitments, work, study and whatnot. We completely understand that. So with this video, we are presenting to you a practice for time series. Now this series will be focusing on 7 tasks where you do not need to spend a lot of time but it can get you a decent score. But keep in mind that these only tasks won't get you the exact score that you're looking for, but it can enable you to spend your time more effectively. Now, what are these tasks? Listening, fill in the blanks. Listening, highlighting correct words. Summarize written text. Summarize spoken text. Retell lecture, repeat sentences, write from dictation. Now, your entire PT exam is for 360, which is 90 in 4 sections. Now, these 7 tasks alone can give you 190 marks out of 360, which is more than 50%. So, you should be focusing on these tasks first, get them done, utilize your time properly, and then only move on to the other tasks where you need to spend more time and you need more feedback. So throughout this video, I please request you to follow each and every tips and tricks that we have laid out for you and a great foundation to prepare for your PT exam. So in these videos, we won't be presenting to you the entire thing, the entire module. We'll be only focusing on the task where you can maximize your score. So if you have any questions, if you are struggling with your PT exam, do leave us a message or give us a call. We are here to help you. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Samira from Language Academy. Today we're going to go over highlight incorrect words, which is a task that comes to you in your listening section. It comes right before write from dictation. It is the second last task of your exam. It is an important one because the points for this not only goes to listening, but it also transfers to reading. And that is because the task is basically you will be having a transcript in front of you and simultaneously you will be listening to a recording. You're supposed to click on the words in the transcript that are not the same as the ones that you're hearing in the recording. So that is the task. You get around 7 incorrect words and what you listen will be different. That is the correct one. You're supposed to click on the wrong ones, which is why it also goes to reading. So you get 9 points from this task going to reading and 8 to listening. You get around 3 on an average in your exam. You could get somewhere between 2 to 4, but on an average it is 3. One very key point to remember is that this is one of your tasks in the exam that carries negative marking. So you are supposed to be careful because for each correct answer you will get 1 point, but for each incorrect one you are going to get negative marking. So be careful about this. But yeah, definitely it is a scoring task and you will be able to do your best. These are some examples of the types of words that you can get. For instance, you could get words that sound the same but have different meanings. For example, cast and cast. They sound the same, pronounced the same way, but they have different meanings and they're also spelled differently. So it is up to you to recognize the right word. For instance, if the passage is talking about religion and the sentence says religion and caste, you're supposed to understand that it is this caste that they're talking about and not this one. So you're supposed to click on this one. Secondly, it could be words that have similar letters, but they have different sounds and different meanings. For example, when you look at terrestrial and territorial, they have similar words T, R, L, which might be confusing, but you are supposed to listen carefully and click on the incorrect word. There could be words that are similar in meaning like south and north, but they are different. They are different in the sound. They are also different in meaning. So you're supposed to listen very carefully to such words and click on the wrong one. Lastly, it could just be words that have a prefix in front, like indifferent and different. They might say different and you're supposed to click on indifferent if that's what's written. And also it could be the other way around. So you're supposed to listen very carefully for this task as well as read very carefully. Thank you for watching.